HubSpot Service Hub versus Help Scout. Both are popular help desk software options that promise to improve your customer support. But which one is actually the best for your needs? In this video, we'll break down the key features, pricing, and overall user experience of both tools so you can make the most informed decision. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to tell you which one I think stands out, and it's not always the one you'd expect. Let's kick things off with the interface. Both HubSpot Service Hub and Help Scout offer clean, user-friendly designs, but they differ in terms of complexity. HubSpot Service Hub, being part of the larger HubSpot ecosystem, has a more comprehensive interface with a lot of features right out of the box. This can be a huge benefit if you're already using other HubSpot tools, like their CRM. However, if you're new to the HubSpot ecosystem, the learning curve can be steep. Help Scout, on the other hand, is much more straightforward. It's designed with simplicity in mind, which makes it a great option for teams that want to get up and running quickly without a ton of training. Next thing to consider is customer support features. HubSpot Service Hub offers a complete support suite, including ticket management, live chat, and a knowledge base. It also integrates seamlessly with HubSpot CRM, giving you a 360-degree view of your customer data, which is fantastic for managing more complex customer relationships. But here's the downside. It's a little overkill for smaller businesses or those who don't need all the bells and whistles. It's like buying a sports car when all you need is a reliable sedan. Help Scout, however, focuses purely on customer support and offers powerful ticketing features, collaboration tools, and reporting without the extra complexity. It's more suited for businesses that want to keep things simple but still need advanced support capabilities. The fourth thing to keep in mind is pricing. HubSpot Service Hub operates on a tiered pricing model, starting with a free version. However, the free version has limited functionality, and you'll need to upgrade to get access to essential features like automation, reporting, and integrations. The paid plans can get quite expensive, especially for small businesses or startups. Help Scout, on the other hand, is more affordable right off the bat. With a simple pricing structure, you get access to most of the core features at a much lower cost than HubSpot Service Hub. If you're on a budget, Help Scout might be the more economical choice. Next, let's talk about integrations. HubSpot Service Hub, being a part of the HubSpot ecosystem, integrates naturally with other HubSpot tools, which is a big plus if you're already using them. It also has a wide range of third-party integrations with popular tools like Salesforce, Slack, and Zendesk. Help Scout, while it doesn't have quite the same range of integrations, offers solid options for integrating with tools like Slack, Zapier, and more. But if you need a wide array of integrations with other tools outside the help desk realm, HubSpot has the advantage. Now, let's get into automation and reporting. HubSpot Service Hub is a powerhouse here. It offers automation tools that let you create workflows for ticket routing, follow-up tasks, and even customer satisfaction surveys. The reporting capabilities are also robust, with in-depth analytics and customizable dashboards that can give you detailed insights into your support performance. Help Scout's automation and reporting features are more basic, but they're still strong for small to medium-sized businesses. You can automate simple tasks like ticket routing and follow-ups, and its reporting is clean and easy to understand. However, if you need the deep dive analytics HubSpot provides, Help Scout might feel limiting. Finally, when it comes to scalability, HubSpot Service Hub definitely has the edge. Its robust feature set and seamless integration with other HubSpot tools make it an excellent choice for growing businesses that need a flexible, scalable solution. Help Scout is perfect for smaller teams or businesses that are just starting to build their customer support infrastructure, but as your business grows, you might find that you outgrow its feature set. So, after testing both of these platforms, here's my take. Both HubSpot Service Hub and Help Scout are solid help desk software options, but they serve different needs. If you're running a larger business or need a more comprehensive tool that integrates with other areas of your business, HubSpot Service Hub is the better choice. However, if you're a small to medium-sized business looking for an affordable, user-friendly option that gets the job done without too much complexity, Help Scout is the way to go. That said, if you're looking for an even better solution for your help desk needs, I highly recommend checking out the software linked in the description. I've personally tried all of these, and after extensive testing, I think this platform offers the best balance of functionality, ease of use, and value for money. Plus, if you sign up through our link, you'll get an exclusive free trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're ready to take your customer support to the next level, click the first link in the description and start your free trial today.